I am obsessed. Like I said, get into it. Have my natural edges out here, natural edges out, and the hair, girl, the hair is eating. You hear me? I have wanted to do a side part for the longest because I've been rocking the middle part religiously for years at this point, maybe like the last 2 years. And I've always loved a side part on me, but you know how you get stuck with something and then you just get used to seeing yourself with that? Yeah, that is what I did. And so this unit is giving sew-in. Are we seeing the texture? We'll get into the texture, get into the vibes of the hair. It is a really, really good unit. So shout out to Nadula Hair for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Girls, you will not believe the transformation that this hair has went through. I'll pop up some imagery on the screen. This is actually I think this is a 22-inch V-part Jerry curl unit. Yes, this is a curly unit. Now come here. I'm gonna teach y'all something real quick. Okay, if you are a natural hair girly, meaning your hair is not processed, it does not have a relaxer in it, the best way to blend your hair is not with those silky bundles. Get you a nice curly unit, blow dry that unit. Now it's a little bit of work, but it is worth it. I strategically got this unit to blow dry this unit, and then I use like one pass with my T3 flat iron, and then I use a nice barrel iron to curl it. And then of course, you know, I added in some layers to this, and I am obsessed. Like I said, get into it. Have my natural edges out here, natural edges out on the side. So this is giving sew-in. It is on flat. As you guys can see, I love this unit. So you can wear it both ways. You can wear it in this curly state. Again, I should be popping up imagery of what the unit looks like straight out the box, what it looks like after I washed it and air dried it, what it looked like blow dried, and then now. So it has went through a little bit of evolution, but I love that for me.